Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a Japanese hydration secret that changed my routine. This is not just a serum, this is not just a toner, but this is a hybrid of both. In today's video I'm going to be giving my review on the Hadalabo. Okay, so I'm giving my review on the Hadalabo Premium Hydration Serum. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a Japanese brand under Roto Pharmaceuticals. Okay, so yeah, this is what it looks like. This is a hydrating serum, and when I tell you it is premium package in this, I'm not joking. You need a hydrating serum. Most of the times it's not brightening you need to hydrate your skin, you need to hydrate your face. Okay, so in today's video I'll be hooking you guys on this brand. Okay, so this is a hydrating serum. This is not a brightening serum. It doesn't have brightening property, doesn't have anti-aging property. This is a hydrating serum. It gives deep intense hydration plus skin barrier support. It is perfect for dry skin, dehydrated skin, compromised skin, damaged skin barrier, good for sensitive skin. So this product contains 7 hyaluronic acid. That is what makes it different from other hyaluronic acid serums or toners. This contains 7. This is one of the best hydrating serums in the market. For the price, it is very affordable for the price. It contains 7 hyaluronic acids in it, and that is hydroethyl urea, which is a urea derivative and is a strong moisturizer and a humectant. It contains super hyaluronic acid, which makes it super moisture returning. Okay, it contains sodium hyaluronate. It contains hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. It contains sodium hyaluronic cross polymer, which are humectants and moisturizers. It contains hydrogenated starch hydroxylate, okay, which is also a humectant. If you don't know, a humectant, it draws water from the atmosphere and retains water. It also contains suborbital, which is also a super based humectant. It contains polycotinone 51. Guys, this is super packed with hydrating ingredients. It doesn't have business to do with brightening, it only hydrates. Now let's talk about the texture. Okay, this is a little bit slimy. It spreads easily. Okay, it's not greasy, it is not too thick. Okay, but it's not runny. Yes, it's not runny. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. So it's just a little bit slimy. Guys, you're gonna see how hydrated this is gonna turn my hands to. So see, you see how hydrated it got. Immediately I applied it on my skin feels hydrated. It is so lightweight. It is so lightweight. It is fragrance free, which is perfect for sensitive skin. Okay, if you are using any active like retinol or glycolic acid or lactic acid, you need this. Guys, can you see how hydrated this feels on my skin? This is so perfect for a hydrated skin and a hydrated glow. The texture is perfect for both sensitive skin, dry skin, normal skin. Can use this. Okay, this will not break you out. This is going to keep your skin hydrated. Recently my friend was like, oh Ella, your face looks healed. Okay, so now she didn't say your face looks brightened, your face looks smooth, your face looks, no, she said your face looks healed. Now this is the secret, the fact that she used healed, because that is what my face was given. That is what my routine these days is. My routine is healing. I keep on talking about using a product that are going to strengthen your skin barrier, because when your skin barrier is strengthened, you're going to get a very hydrated looking skin. Okay, so guys, this is what I added to my skincare routine, and ever since I added to my skincare routine, my skin feels good, my skin looks healthy. I don't have anything on my face again. Okay, even my blemishes are going down. This is so perfect for you. It plumps the face. Immediately you apply it on your face, it plumps your face. Like your face will start looking enriched, nourished, and very glowy, and even it gives a velvet finish. Guys, there is a very huge difference when this goes on your face. It is easy to use, very friendly for acne prone skin. It is fragrance free. 2 to 3 drops is perfect for you. I'm giving this a 10/10 for me, my rating is 10 over 10 because there is no odd about this. You're not going to break out while using this because there are no harsh actives. It's just hydration, 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 and you need hydration in your routine. If you've not added any hyaluronic acid in your routine, go and add one. You can inculcate this in your routine, or you can use any hyaluronic acid of your choice, but just rest assured that you need a hyaluronic acid. You need to hydrate your skin. Everything is not all about brightening. You need to hydrate your face. When your face looks hydrated, it looks beautiful. It comes in a 170 ml, big enough. Hydrated skin comes first, every other thing comes later. You need to have a hydrating serum in your routine to heal your skin barrier, to support your skin barrier. Ever since I started using this in my routine, everything changed for me. This changed my routine. This changed my skin game. Benefits of this gives deep hydration. This is affordable. It lasts long. It's long on your face. Okay, when you put it on your face, it lasts long. It stays there. It sits pretty on your face. It doesn't just evaporate. Acne prone skin can also use this, guys. This is what I added to my skincare routine, and when I say I thank God for adding a hyaluronic acid, and not just a hyaluronic acid, a serum that contains 7 types of hyaluronic acid. That is locking in the moisture for me. Okay, so now how do you use this, or how do you inculcate this in your routine? Start cleansing your face with your foaming cleanser or your a hydrating cleanser, whatever cleanser you use. After cleansing your face, you let it dry up a bit, then you go in with your toner. Okay, if you use a toner, you go in with a toner and you let it, like me, I use the Wonder toner, the Tolimoli toner. So when I apply my Tolimoli toner, which is also skin barrier support toner, okay, yes, so when I apply my ceramide toner, I let it sit for like 2 minutes, then I go in with this. Okay, so after your toner, you go in with this serum, and then you leave it on your face. Immediately you apply this, your face is gonna be very glowy, very hydrated. It's gonna give you a hydrated looking skin. Then you let it sit for some minutes. You go in with your vitamin C serum if you're using a vitamin C serum, or you go in with your niacinamide. Okay, yes, then you apply your moisturizer. If you don't use niacinamide, you don't use vitamin C, just go in straight with your moisturizer. It is an error to use hyaluronic acid and don't use moisturizer, because hyaluronic acid is a humectant. It attracts water and retains it here. So now you need a moisturizer that will serve as an emollient to lock in and seal up so that it doesn't evaporate. So if you are not using any moisturizer, is as best as you're not even applying any hyaluronic acid, because it's gonna evaporate out, it's gonna waste. This is not a treatment serum. Okay, this is not a treatment serum. This is not gonna brighten your face, this is not gonna smoothen your face. This is not, it only does hydration. Brightening can come due to a healthy, strengthened skin barrier. You can have a brightened face, a smooth face, but just know that this works for deep hydration, and you need your skin to be hydrated to reveal a healthy looking skin. Okay, guys, so if you have fungal acne, this might be a little bit sensitive for them. Okay, so if you have fungal acne, just check the sensitivity of this, if it's going to be compatible with your skin or not. But aside that, this is very compatible with every skin type, both dry, dehydrated, normal to combination skin can use this. Think of this as you're drinking water, like your skin is drinking water, because it's going to give you a deep, intense hydration, and it's going to help whatever active you're using to work on a healthy surface, on a healthy skin. Okay, so if you don't have any hyaluronic acid, inculcate it in your routine. Just make sure you have a hyaluronic acid in your routine. Okay, so guys, yeah, this is a very perfect Japanese hyaluronic acid. I love it so much. It retails for 20,000 naira. Yeah, it retails for 20,000 naira. Okay, there was another place I saw it for 15k. There was another place I saw it for 25k. So it just depends on your area, but it is within from 15 to 25,000 naira. This can be compared with the Cosarare Snail Mucin Essence. Okay, yeah, that is also a hydrating essence, but it's not super packed like this. So guys, yeah, this is my review on this serum. Okay, yeah, I love it, and I'm gonna be rating it a 10 over 10. a 10/10 because it is well hydrating and it lasts long. It doesn't stain the face, it doesn't cause breakout, it doesn't cause acne, it doesn't clog your pores. It is just perfect, the perfect water your skin needs to drink. Okay guys, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and hit the like button now, drop your comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.